In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send out remittance advice using QuickBooks Online. If you need to let a vendor know that a bill payment has been sent, QuickBooks Online makes that process very simple. Sending remittance advice is a helpful way to confirm payment details and keep your records and vendor communication organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to review before sending the notice. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and going to Expenses. Depending on the version or layout you're using, you may first need to select All Apps and then choose Expenses and Bills. From there, look for the Vendors section. This is where you can view the list of vendors connected to your company file and access their recent transactions. Once you're in the vendor list, click on the vendor you want to work with. This will open that vendor's profile and show related activity, including bills and payments. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct vendor, especially if you work with several suppliers that have similar names. That small check can help avoid sending payment information to the wrong contact. Next, find the bill payment transaction you want to send remittance advice for and check the box next to it. Be sure you're choosing the correct payment entry, since the remittance advice will reflect the details tied to that specific transaction. This is especially important if there are multiple payments listed for the same vendor. After selecting the payment, click Send Remittance. QuickBooks will then open an email draft for you. This draft usually includes the payment information your vendor needs, which helps them match the payment to their records. Before sending it, review the email carefully. Make sure the content looks accurate and complete. If needed, you can edit the message body to make it clearer or more personalized. For example, you might want to add a short note explaining what the payment covers, or provide a brief professional message for context. Keep your wording simple and direct so the vendor can quickly understand the purpose of the email. Once everything looks good, click Send. QuickBooks will send the remittance advice to the vendor using the available contact details on file. And that's it. That's how to send out remittance advice using QuickBooks Online. It's a quick but useful task that can improve communication and help vendors process your payments more efficiently.